Everyone talks about the American stock market, but there is a massive European index holding some of the most famous brands on Earth, and most beginners completely ignore it. It is called the UK 100 or the FTSE 100. But how does it actually work? What famous companies are hiding inside it? And why do experienced traders love it so much? The truth about where this index actually makes its money might completely change how you view the global stock market. Let us find out. I'm Sina, and I create simple, easy-to-understand, and ad-free video explaining hard subjects in short, clear format every week. Subscribe to my channel for more high-quality and simply explained videos. Also, like the video to help me and my channel to grow. The FTSE 100 is simply a collection of the 100 largest and most valuable companies listed on the London Stock Exchange. You can think of it as a giant basket. Instead of buying or tracking just one company, looking at this index shows you the overall health of the biggest public businesses in the United Kingdom. It acts like a thermometer for the British stock market. But here's the secret that keeps investors watching to the very end. This index is not exactly as British as it sounds. So what exactly is inside this giant basket? The index holds some massive global names that you probably interact with all the time. Some of the most important companies in the index right now include AstraZeneca, HSBC, Shell, Unilever, and BP. We won't dive deep into their individual financials today, but just know that these mega corporations drive a massive amount of the total value of the entire index. Now, you might be wondering what kind of industries make up the FTSE 100. Unlike the American markets that are heavily focused on technology and artificial intelligence, the UK 100 represents the traditional physical economy. Overall, the main sectors that exist in this index are financial services and banking, healthcare and pharmaceuticals, energy, including oil and gas, basic resources like mining, and everyday consumer goods. Technology plays a very small role here. This unique mix of traditional industries leads us to the biggest question. What makes this index so special compared to the rest of the world? The absolute most special thing about the FTSE is its global reach. Even though it is based in London, the vast majority of the money these companies make comes from entirely outside the United Kingdom. It's essentially a global powerhouse hiding in plain sight. Furthermore, because it is packed with older, highly established businesses in sectors like banking and energy, it's famous for paying out strong, reliable dividends to its investors. It's less about crazy tech growth and more about stability and cash flow. I really want to know your thoughts on this. Do you prefer the fast growth of the US tech market or the steady dividend income of the UK 100? Please drop a comment below and let me know. I read and reply to every single comment because I love connecting with you guys, and as a small creator, your engagement truly helps build this amazing community. Also, if you want to know what are the best crypto projects that you can invest and their investing potential, check out the video and playlist you see on the screen. Love you guys. See you in the next video.